Hi guys, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you how to make coconut chicken soup or tom kha kai. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way. The coconut chicken soup or tom kha kai is one of the most famous Thai dishes, and when you have it you will feel like the food taste of Thailand. Wow, so interesting, yes? Finally, our coconut chicken soup is ready. Let's try it. So good. The taste should be a little sweet and sour or spicy, a little bit, not much, but you will feel like the full taste of Thai herb. So good. I hope your coconut chicken soup tastes similar like mine. Thanks for watching my video. See you the next video. Bye bye. Enjoy.